Welcome to Peppercorns. Keep learning. Why you need to watch this video. Are you involved in the operation, maintenance, or management of forklifts? Whether you're a forklift operator, a maintenance technician, a safety manager, or a business owner overseeing warehouse operations, understanding the best practices and safety protocols related to forklifts is crucial for ensuring efficiency, productivity, and most importantly, safety in the workplace. Forklifts are indispensable tools in various industries, from warehouses and distribution centers to manufacturing facilities and construction sites. However, they also pose inherent risks if not operated or maintained properly. Accidents involving forklifts can result in serious injuries, damage to property, and costly downtime for businesses. In this video, we'll cover a comprehensive range of topics related to forklifts, including safe operation. Learn essential techniques and safety practices for operating forklifts, including proper load handling, maneuvering in tight spaces, and navigating hazardous environments. Maintenance guidelines. Understand the importance of regular maintenance and preventive maintenance checks and services, PMCS, to keep forklifts in optimal condition and minimize the risk of breakdowns. Specialized applications. Explore specialized forklift applications such as cold storage environments, hazardous materials handling, and rough terrain operations, and the unique challenges they present. Environmental considerations. Discover how forklift operations can impact the environment and learn about environmentally friendly practices and technologies to minimize environmental footprint. Advanced techniques and technologies. Stay up to date with the latest advancements in forklift technology, including automated forklifts, telematics systems, and integration with warehouse management systems, WWMS, and how they can enhance efficiency and safety. Whether you're a seasoned forklift operator looking to refresh your knowledge, a new employee seeking training, or a business owner aiming to improve safety and productivity in your operations, this video is a valuable resource that provides practical insights and actionable tips for optimizing forklift operations. Join us as we delve into the world of forklifts, uncovering best practices, innovative technologies, and expert advice to help you navigate the challenges and complexities of forklift operations effectively. Your safety and success in the workplace are our top priorities, and this video is designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to achieve them. So sit back, relax, and get ready to elevate your forklift expertise with this informative video presentation. Let's dive in. Forklift. Chapter 1. Introduction of forklifts. Forklifts are essential pieces of equipment used across various industries for material handling, and lifting tasks. They are versatile machines designed to efficiently move heavy loads in warehouses, distribution centers, construction sites, manufacturing facilities, and more. What is a forklift? A forklift, also known as a lift truck, fork truck, or forklift truck, is a powered industrial vehicle equipped with forks or prongs at the front that can be raised and lowered to lift and transport materials. Forklifts come in various sizes and configurations, ranging from small electric pallet jacks to large diesel-powered forklifts capable of lifting several tons. Types of forklifts. Counterbalance forklifts. These are the most common type of forklifts and are designed with a counterweight at the rear to balance the weight of the load being lifted at the front. Reach trucks. Ideal for narrow aisle operations, reach trucks have extendable forks that can reach into racks or shelves to pick up and deposit loads. Pallet jacks. Also known as pallet trucks or pump trucks, pallet jacks are used to lift and move palletized loads within a warehouse or storage area. Order pickers. These forklifts are designed for picking individual items or cases from warehouse shelves at various heights. Rough terrain forklifts, suited for outdoor use on uneven surfaces, rough terrain forklifts have larger tires and higher ground clearance. Common uses of forklifts: loading and unloading trucks and trailers, stacking and organizing materials in warehouses, transporting goods within a facility, construction and building material handling, inventory management and order fulfillment. Understanding the basics of forklifts and their various applications sets the foundation for safe and efficient operation, maintenance, and management of these essential industrial vehicles. Basic components and parts of a forklift. Frame, the backbone of the forklift, providing structural support and housing the engine, transmission, and other components. Power source. Forklifts can be powered by various sources, including internal combustion engines, gasoline, diesel, or propane, or electric batteries. Chapter 2: How forklifts work. Understanding the inner workings of a forklift is crucial for safe and efficient operation. In this chapter, we'll delve into the basic components and operating principles of forklifts, shedding light on how these machines lift and move heavy loads with precision. Hydraulic system. Responsible for lifting and lowering the forks, the hydraulic system utilizes fluid pressure to control the movement of the lifting mechanism. Forks, also known as tines or blades, these are the protruding arms at the front of the forklift used to support and lift loads. Mast, the vertical assembly that houses the lifting mechanism, consisting of upright channels, rollers, and chains or hydraulic cylinders. Controls, including steering wheel, pedals, accelerator and brake, hydraulic levers, and other operating controls for maneuvering the forklift and controlling the lifting mechanism. Tires. Forklifts can have different types of tires depending on the terrain and application, including cushion tires for indoor use and pneumatic tires for outdoor or rough terrain. Chapter 3: Operating a forklift safely. Safety is paramount when operating a forklift, as these machines can pose significant risks to both operators and bystanders if not used correctly. In this chapter, we'll explore the essential steps and procedures for safely operating a forklift, from pre-operation checks to proper maneuvering techniques. Pre-operation inspection checklist. Before using a forklift, operators must conduct a thorough inspection to ensure that the machine is in proper working condition. This includes checking tires. Inspect for any signs of damage or wear and ensure proper inflation. Fluid levels. Check the levels of hydraulic fluid, engine oil, coolant, and fuel. Brakes. Test the brakes for responsiveness and effectiveness. Controls. Ensure all controls are functioning correctly, including steering, lifting, and tilting mechanisms. Lights and signals. Test headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and audible alarms. Forks. Look for any cracks, bends, or other damage to the forks. Safety devices. Check seatbelts, horns, and other safety features for proper operation. Load capacity plate. Verify that the load capacity plate is legible and matches the forklift's intended use. Importance of proper training and certification. Forklift operators must be adequately trained and certified to ensure they have the knowledge and skills required to operate the equipment safely. Training should cover topics such as forklift operation, load handling, hazard awareness, and emergency procedures. By following these safety procedures and guidelines, forklift operators can minimize the risk of accidents, injuries, and property damage in the workplace, creating a safer environment for everyone involved. Chapter 4. Maintenance and PMCS, Preventive Maintenance Checks and Services. Proper maintenance is essential for ensuring the reliability, longevity, and safe operation of forklifts. In this chapter, we'll explore the importance of regular maintenance and outline the preventive maintenance checks and services, PMCS, that should be performed to keep forklifts in optimal condition. Importance of regular maintenance. Regular maintenance helps prevent breakdowns, reduces the risk of accidents, and prolongs the lifespan of forklifts. By addressing minor issues before they escalate into major problems, maintenance also minimizes downtime and ensures uninterrupted productivity in the workplace. Preventive maintenance, checks and services, PMCS. Daily checks. Inspect tires for damage, wear, and proper inflation. Check fluid levels, including hydraulic fluid, engine oil, coolant, and fuel. Test brakes for responsiveness and effectiveness. Verify proper operation of controls, lights, signals, and safety devices. Visually inspect forks for cracks, bends, or other damage. Weekly checks. Inspect hydraulic hoses and fittings for leaks or damage. Check battery electrolyte levels for electric forklifts and clean terminals. Lubricate moving parts as needed, including mast rollers and chains. Test emergency brakes and parking brake for proper function. Monthly checks. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks, damage, or excessive emissions. Check for loose or worn bolts, nuts, and fasteners throughout the forklift. Inspect the operator compartment for cleanliness and proper condition of seat belts and other safety features. Perform load capacity tests to ensure accuracy of load capacity plate. Periodic inspections. Schedule regular inspections by qualified technicians to identify and address any potential issues or wear and tear. Conduct thorough examinations of critical components such as brakes, steering, and lifting mechanisms. Keep detailed maintenance records to track service history and identify patterns or trends. Troubleshooting and minor repairs. Operators should be trained to identify common issues and perform minor repairs as needed, such as replacing light bulbs, tightening loose bolts, or clearing debris from air filters. However, more complex repairs or maintenance tasks should be handled by trained technicians to ensure proper diagnosis and resolution. By adhering to a comprehensive PMCS schedule and promptly addressing maintenance needs, forklift operators and maintenance personnel can ensure that forklifts operate safely, efficiently, and reliably, contributing to a productive and safe work environment. Chapter 5. Forklift Safety Practices. Safety is paramount when operating a forklift, given the potential for accidents and injuries in the workplace. In this chapter, we'll delve into essential safety practices that forklift operators should follow to minimize risks and ensure a safe working environment. Importance of forklift safety. Before diving into specific safety practices, it's crucial to understand why forklift safety is paramount. Forklifts are powerful machines that can cause serious accidents, injuries, and property damage if not operated with caution. By adhering to strict safety protocols, operators can mitigate risks and create a safer workplace for themselves and their colleagues. Safe load handling. Load capacity. Never exceed the rated load capacity of the forklift, as doing so can compromise stability and increase the risk of tip-overs. Load stability. Ensure that loads are properly centered, stable, and securely positioned on the forks before lifting or moving. Use attachments such as load stabilizers or clamps when handling irregularly shaped or unstable loads. Traveling with loads. Avoid traveling with the load elevated, as this can affect stability and increase the risk of tipping. Keep the load low to the ground and tilted slightly back when traveling. Avoiding accidents and collisions. Visibility. Maintain clear visibility of the path ahead and use mirrors or spotter assistance when necessary, especially when operating in congested or obstructed areas. Pedestrian awareness. Be vigilant of pedestrians and other workers in the vicinity, and use horns or audible alarms to alert them of your presence. Traffic management. Follow designated traffic routes and observe traffic signs and markings. Use caution when approaching intersections, blind spots, and areas with limited visibility. Speed control. Operate the forklift at a safe speed, especially when turning or maneuvering in tight spaces. Slow down when approaching corners, ramps, or uneven surfaces. Emergency procedures, emergency stop. Familiarize yourself with the location and operation of the emergency stop button or lever on the forklift. Evacuation plan. Know the evacuation procedures and assembly points in case of emergencies such as fires, chemical spills, or earthquakes. Reporting incidents. Report any accidents, near misses, or safety concerns to supervisors or safety personnel immediately. By implementing these safety practices and fostering a culture of safety in the workplace, forklift operators can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and injuries, creating a safer and more productive environment for all employees. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, and comment.